What's going on, everyone? This is RFBM, Raising the Financial Bar with Mar. And today I want to talk to you about a couple of offers, special offers to be exact, that Fidelity has currently. All right, so for the first special offer, for a limited time, when you open a Fidelity Youth account, your teen will get a $50 reward. So first things first, before you open the youth account, go ahead and click on Learn More. Well, that's why I went on there for you. So essentially the app and debit card can help teens learn about money. So it's an account where teens can save, spend, and invest. Keep in mind, when they're talking about the age range, this is for teens 13 to 17. So essentially, it's aimed to be built around them learning about investing, saving early, and just empowering teens' overall education. Keep in mind, Fidelity is a great platform, though. There's different resources that you can learn different things that you're not familiar with. So they will be equipped with a free debit card. They'll be able to, save early. It's a secure app, and essentially, it's empowering teens with education. So let's go ahead and go through the process so you can completely understand how they will just drop that $50 in the account for the teen. So apparently they started this promotion back in January 24th, 2022. I wasn't aware of that, but keep in mind Fidelity offers come and go. With that being said, when you, basically the parent or guardian, initiate the opening of a new youth account, and your team, once again age 13 to 17, downloads the Fidelity mobile app and activates the new account, your teen will receive a $50 deposit as a reward. Once again, keep in mind, it comes and goes. So Fidelity reserves the right to modify the terms and conditions or terminate the offer at any time. Other terms and conditions or eligibility criteria apply. And of course, there's other things here in the FAQs, but this is the most important aspect. You could read other things on your own leisure time. All right, so hopefully I'm making this as easy of a process as I can for you. The next thing you want to keep in mind is that in order for you to open a Fidelity Youth account for your teen, you'd have to make an account for yourself. And keep in mind, this is all key in order to get this bonus, all right? It's not a fund required amount, meaning you don't have to deposit a fund in order to receive this deposit. You just have to follow their instructions. So open that account for your teen, parent, or guardian. They must have a Fidelity account first. You can open accounts for yourself and your teen with no account fees and no minimums. So in this case, I already have an account with Fidelity, multiple at that. So I'd go ahead and click open a youth account. Alrighty, so circling back to the home page, you'd go ahead and click open a youth account. So once you click open a youth account, you're going to see another screen here where you'll pretty much put the basic information that as a parent or guardian you would know about your teen. All right, and the next page is pretty simple as well. You'll just go ahead and provide the contact information as far as it relates to the email and phone number for the teen that you're creating this account for, and also where they live. Alrighty, so this is an important page right here. Please make sure to answer truthfully to these questions, just because it's very important and it's something that's actually regulated within the financial industry. And you have to make sure that you're putting that, just because this is something that can get them an idea if something is a conflict of interest, manipulation, fraudulent, or anything else of that nature. So just make sure that you're putting that information accordingly. Okay, so as you get towards the close, of course, as I always tell you guys, read the fine print. You want to take a moment to review and confirm your information. I did download the PDFs. Did I read it in all its entirety? Of course not. But that's just something you want to keep in mind, just because it's binding and you're agreeing to their terms and conditions. So to conclude all of this, you want to complete the application process by providing 2 forms of acceptable documentation to verify your teen's identity. So your teen's social security or a copy of the first page of your latest filed 1040 tax return will suffice. However, just go ahead and upload that picture of that social security number. Make sure it's clearly visible. The second form of identification will have to be an unexpired document with your teen's name. So that would be a state issued driver's license, passport, birth certificate, or student ID card. So that's something that cause a roadblock for me, I'm going to have to go ahead and reach out to our mom and see if she can provide me a passport for her so I can complete the process. All right, guys, so the second offer that Fidelity does have, I did mention this in a previous video. I'll go ahead and add that link in here. So I'm just going to go over it briefly since I've already done a video on it. You would go ahead and open a Fidelity eligible account based on their stipulations. That would be the Fidelity account, Fidelity cash management account, or a Roth IRA or a traditional IRA. So it's pretty straightforward. They'll give you $100 if you deposit at least $50 into your new account. So whichever account you choose, go ahead and decide. They do break down in the bottom of the page the details to describe each account so you understand what you're getting yourself into before you do. So essentially use that promo code Fidelity100, complete all the prompts to complete the application, and it should take you no more than a month for you to receive the deposit, and that deposit will come to your account 3 to 4 weeks after you've deposited the required amount into the eligible account. As always, I truly appreciate the support. If you found this content helpful, please give it a like, comment, subscribe, share, friends, family, associates. Give me your feedback in the comments. I want to continue to keep getting this content out. I am actively working to get more creative with things, but also I'm juggling multiple hats on the personal side. But as always, this is RFBM, raising the financial bar with Mar. Peace, love, blessings. Take care. Be safe out here.
Our own mind has to be changed. We have to change our mind about ourselves.
Because this world is such a gimme. Everybody back off. You know, everybody's like taught that from school.
I don't come to bow, you know. I come to conquer.